Today's July 1st, 2024. Those trees were cut down March 30th. And today we finally have the yard basically cleaned up. Still have a lot of splitting and cutting to do and stacking, but at least the big mess is out of the yard, and now the yard is mowable. REO-Outdoors. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. Boost up this one-man channel. REO-Outdoors. Like, share, subscribe. Enjoy the great outdoors. It's a beautiful, 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 beautiful day here in Michigan, July 1st, 2024. Y'all be safe. Enjoy your summer.